Welcome to another video from the farm. Today we're putting on a lean-to roof. Today then, I'm going to be creating a roof, connecting this one to this one, so it's like a lean-to roof. Apart from we're not putting posts in, because the sheds are already there. We'll be doing it in this clear stuff and this black bitumen stuff. One sheet of that, and then this sort of length, roughly, covers the gap. And the main bit of the roof is the main structure. It's going to be made out of 4x2s, metal brackets, and some of this 1 by 1.25 lath. So, first couple of steps then. Cut some more bits that size out of these few sheets. Get these up in the right position and get them screwed in position with these metal brackets. Okay then, so we've got all the 4x2 rafters in position, got them all secured in with these metal brackets on both sides. The next step then, we're going to have to get those 1 by 1.25 lath on here, and sort of a sideways pattern now, so we'll have a bit of a grid of these, and there'll be the purlins to which we can fix the roof panels to. Okay then, let's get these purlins on. So we got all the roofing laid out, but we've realised not many of our holes from when it's been previously installed are going to line up along the purlins. So basically, we're going to have to patch all the holes with duct tape. Like that, so we don't have any leaks. It's not going to be the prettiest job, but it will be nice and weather tight. I'm going to leave this for Stu to do whilst I crack on putting the purlins in place. So the purlins are all on. Stu's just wrapping up doing the last sheet repair, and then we're ready to begin the roof. And we obviously need to get them all up there first, and then we're going to be using these little self-tapping roofing screws to fix them all down to the purlins. Now we're going to start at one end, fix the bottom piece, fix the top piece, and then work our way down like that. Bottom piece, top piece, bottom piece, top piece, all the way down to the bottom, and then that should give us a nice weather tight roof. So I'm up here now with the stuff. We've got all the corrugated sheet. Now I'm going to do it slightly differently to what I first thought. I'm just going to basically put all of these clear ones on first, and then I'm going to go on the other roof over there and do the ones at the back out of the bitumen stuff we've got. I quickly just had a go at putting this in, and these absolutely flying. I've done this before with a different fitting, and you had to pre-drill the holes, and it was an absolute nightmare. Those 4 I put in there literally took 10 seconds. And I've managed to work my way out on here as well, on my hands and knees, and it's safe. No flexing, so I feel comfortable. I'll crack on with the rest of the roof now. go, the finished product. It's not too shabby. It didn't take too long to actually put these bits of roofing on once we got going. Now, we recycled most of the sheeting for this, apart from a few of the bits of bitumen were new, but we just hadn't used them. But these came off another roof. The actual wood component of this, minor, only cost us about £45, I think, for all of this. And then, yeah, if you were to buy these sheets new, I think they're about £8 new each or something. So we got 6 on there. Not very much money. These bitumen ones are way more difficult to put on than the clear ones, because obviously you can't see exactly where the wood is. Like that one there, missed it on the first time, didn't I? But other than that, all good. We've got a nice dry area underneath here now, above the little bit of block paving we did the other day. So, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.